But even as Tamil Nadu braces itself for the biggest battle of power, AIADMK chief maintains that a change of guard in the state is certain. In an exclusive interview to Times Now, Jayalalitha said that the people of Tamil Nadu will not vote for the DMK this time because they're tired of the massive corruption in the state and that strong action will be taken against all those who are found guilty of corruption.
You return back as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Will you open cases against the DMK if there is any?
First, let us win the elections, and after winning the elections, the next step is forming the government. After that, we will study what has taken place. We will collect all the facts and figures, and wherever action has to be taken to punish the guilty, action will be taken. My party is not corrupt. My government has not been corrupt. All the cases that I have had to face were false cases foisted on me by Mr. Karunanidhi and his government. And out of those cases, in 13 cases, I have been acquitted by courts. It is quite obvious that these cases were foisted on me out of sheer political vendetta.
Whereas the Finance Minister of the country, Pranab Mukherjee, just a few days back said very clearly that the financial situation of Tamil Nadu is very sound. What do you have to say about that?
I'm afraid he has to do his homework where Tamil Nadu is concerned. I think he doesn't know the details about Tamil Nadu's situation. People of Tamil Nadu are totally disgusted, fed up with the all-pervasive corruption everywhere. There's no safety for life or property anywhere. And all-pervasive corruption everywhere. The people are totally disgusted with this. They've had to face a lot of hardship the last 5 years.